good day to you all. It's a great pleasure to see you through this video and my best wishes to you. We all join through this channel, sharing good thoughts to create positive society. No poison can kill positive thinker and no medicine can cure negative thinker. Please like this channel and please share and comment which can improve this channel. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Welcome. Let us see today's video clip. Happy to see you again in this video. Hope you have seen in part 1 there is a 2 test what father had tested through his son and he learned the valuable lessons. Hope it will be very useful for you. Now we are going to see third test and fourth test. Please watch entire the video. Now the father called his son Esli to come to the store. So he brought to the store and there are a lot of rooms. He brought his son Esli to the room. Inside there is a center place. There is a one glass tank. Inside a water which is not clean water, very dirty. So he brought him. Inside I have put one label. There is some word is inside. You need to let me know what I have written inside. That is the third test. But you have 3 rules and regulations. The first rules is the water you cannot exit from the tank. Second one, you cannot give any damage to the tank. It means you beat or you are climb over there. Cannot do that. The third one, you cannot go out from this room to get any help. The time duration is just 1 hour. And time starts now. The father left from the room. So he was thinking how to achieve the goal. So he was thinking 2 minutes. Then he believed definitely the solution inside the room. Because the father said cannot go out. It means definitely have. He go and find what is inside. Then he found one long wooden stick. Then he took it. Use this stick to what to do? I cannot break the glass. I cannot do that. What I do? Then okay, I go and find some more what I can get. So he go and find at the corner there are stones, lot of stones, one by one like that. So he go and see. Then he found there is a lot of color stone. Green color, blue color, black color, white color. Then he go and look at the stones. Then he found one, the white stone is a crystal stone. They call alum. It means it is a detergent stone. So he knows the thing. Wow! Immediately he took it and used the other big stone to crack it like a powder. Then he poured inside the water. He used the wooden stick to stir. 5 minutes later, the dirty all go down. He can very clearly to read the verse. What's that? Don't make any decision when you are in confusion. So he was so happy. He jumped and wee. Oh, then he went to the dad. I found the word. Now it's only 30 minutes. You give me 1 hour, but 30 minutes only. The word is don't make any decision when you are in confusion. The dad said, you win. Yes, the moral is, you see, decision making is very important in our everyone life. What you make decision, it will, the impact is good or bad based on your decision. So whenever you make the decision, your mind must be calm, peace. Then you can make the good decision. If you are very angry mood or if you are frustrated, you are very confusion, then how you can make the good decision? Correct? So the son Esli learned this lesson. Hope you too. Now the father brought him the day. This is the 4th test. It means the final test. He brought him to the same store over there. There is a very big, huge room. Inside he brought him. The father mixed 10 kinds of flowers, put together like a mountain like that. So he said that inside I put 10 small roses. You need to take away only the 10 roses from this flowers mountain. It's a tough job, right? Within 1 hour, you need to do that. This is the last test. Then the father say, time starts now. He left. Then the son Esli was thinking, what I can do. Then immediately he remembered, always the flowers arrive to this place like mixing. So his father and he always, they split to groups, small groups. So the big one, they make it small group, then they will be divide and they will categorize, split. So he thought immediately, okay, immediately make it 10 groups. Then one by one group, he went there and checked, found the small red rose. He took it 10 rows, almost 1 hour. Then he went to the dad. I found it within 1 hour, 10 roses. He was so happy to share. His father says that, good job, you did, but you need to know, actually no need 1 hour, 30 minutes can do that. Not only 30 minutes can do that only, you can do the efficient job also. Then the son don't understand. How? Just follow me. So the father brought him to the place, give him 5 minutes. You put back again. How you want to mix up to you. Then the son wanted to mix so good. The 10 flowers also put inside to mix. He tell, because my father going to be find it. He cannot find easily, So he put everything mixed together very nicely. Now the father say, okay, now my time start. Immediately he make it 10 groups of flowers. Then the son think, I also did the same. So what is the new things he is going to do? So he's just monitoring. He put 10 groups. The first group he went there, he classified 3 groups. Very big flower, medium flower. The very big flower is like a sunflower, and big flower like lotus, and medium flower is like a big rose. So that kind, he mixed another 3 category. He put it everything. Then the remain one, he choose again 3 category, the same category, very big, medium. He categorize these 3. So become 6 out ready. Remaining have only 4. Again he do the same thing. The left is the small rose. Easily can put it. At the same time, he segregate everything. 9, 10 each one. The same thing he did for the second group, third group, fourth group, 5th, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The time is only 30 minutes. He got it 10 flowers. Not only that, important, that's why he mentioned efficient work. This is the efficient work. He did it within 30 minutes. The entire flowers, he keep it 10 groups based on the flowers. If lotus means only lotus, sunflower means only sunflower, rose means rose. That is the way he split each kind of flowers in 30 minutes. This is called efficient work. So the moral of this test, he explained to his son Esli, say that whatever you want to do, you have to be separate. Important work, not important work. If you remove the not important work, only remain important work, you focus on that, you have a time. Many people never split. They put everything together in his mind and say that I have no time, many work to do. It's not like that. Smart people always segregate their problems, their works. Which one makes more time, which one takes less time. This is important, less time and faster do it. Then focus on the longer time, important works. Not only that, I tell you one secret. You have 10 works. You look at it, which one is not important. Very easily you can see this is not important. The works, you can find it very easily. Then the remaining works are important work. Easy, you can focus on that. Now the son agree and learn these 4 lessons. The father is very happy also. The son understand the 4 lessons, so he happy to hand over the entire flower shop to him to take over successfully, and he was rested in his life. Now I want to recap the 4 lessons again. The first one, don't care about others, what they think about you. What you want to do, you just do it. No need to explain to everyone. Number 2, whatever you work, you have to learn entire things, including consequences. If consequences comes in, how to be overcome on it. Number 3, don't make any decision when you are in confusion. Number 4, whatever you have a work, you have to be segregate, separate, important, not important work. After you separate the important work, you have to be focused on that. You will be win. What father taught to his son, hope it will be very good lessons for you and me for our bright, successful life. Hope this is very useful for you. Hope to see you in next video clip.